Dust and debris can build up in your air filters over time, obstructing airflow throughout your home. This increases the workload of your HVAC system, potentially leading to more serious issues. To avoid too much buildup, it's best to replace your filters every 30 to 60 days. To begin, you'll want to identify and locate how many filters you need to replace around your house. If needed, use a small ladder or step stool to help you reach the vent comfortably. Undo the latches and slowly let the vent swing open, revealing your filter. Remove the old filter and dispose of it in the trash. Before installing the new filter, make sure you look for the arrow on the side. This arrow identifies which way the air should flow through the filter, allowing you to install it correctly. Close the vent and latches to complete the task.